Alright, so will be the elevators, I think at the southwest garage, but I'm not sure of the name. These elevators are very busy. These are the ones that are getting the most attention from people. It's a Scenic elevator. What's cool is that the window's really small. We're gonna go down to B2 and hope no one gets in, but these elevators have been getting a ton of attention today. Go back up to R. We are underground now in B2. Pretty cool how these go underground. We're gonna get off at another floor. We're gonna get off at we'll get off at 2 because I don't want to go to G because people might be getting on. Call in progress. And that will be it.